Florence Nightingale was born on Italy in May 12, 1820. She is very smart and good and very good on history and math. She wanted to become a nurse instead of marrying to be someone's wife. Florence Nightingale traveled from Italy to Germany to train to become a nurse and take care of injured soldiers. It was dirty and some of the soldiers died because of the infection. Florence Nightingale took care of the wounded soldiers. Florence Nightingale cleaned the hospital. Shoot, go away, shoot. Florence Nightingale changed old bandages into new bandages and gave them medicines. Florence Nightingale would check all the soldiers. Are you feeling well today? Of course I am. Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well today? Not well. Soldiers called her the lady with the lamp because she checks the soldiers using the lamp all night long.